Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to test OBS without going live. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your OBS application on your computer. We're going to test both streaming and recording to make sure everything runs smoothly before you actually go live. Once OBS is open, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen. Click on File, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings. This will open a new window where you can configure your OBS preferences. In the Settings window, look at the left sidebar and click on Video. This section controls your resolution and frame rate settings. Now, navigate to the option that says Common FPS Values. You'll see a drop-down menu right beside it. Click on that drop-down and select 60 FPS from the list. This higher frame rate will give you smoother video quality. Once you've made this change, click Apply in the bottom right corner, then click OK to save your settings and close the window. Now it's time to test your streaming performance. In the right panel of OBS, click on Start Streaming. This will simulate going live without actually broadcasting to any platform. Next, go to the upper left corner again, click on View, and then select Stats from the menu. This opens a stats window that shows you all the important performance metrics you need to monitor. In the stats window, look for your target FPS, which should show 60 FPS since that's what we just set. This number should stay stable throughout your test. If it keeps dropping, like going from 60 down to 40 or even 20, that means your PC may be struggling to handle the streaming workload. Another crucial metric to watch is dropped frames network. This is the most important one when you're streaming. If you see 0 with 0.0%, that's perfect. A small amount under around 1% is usually okay, but if you see a high percentage, it means your internet upload or connection is having problems. Now let's test the recording function as well. Close the stats window, and in the right panel, click Stop Streaming. Then click Start Recording to begin recording locally to your computer. Go back to the upper left, click View, and select Stats again to reopen the monitoring window. While recording, play your game or do whatever you normally do during a stream. Watch the stats carefully for several things. Your FPS should stay stable, rendering lag should be minimal, encoding lag should be low, and your CPU should not be maxed out. If any of these are problematic, you may need to adjust your OBS settings or upgrade your hardware. After you've recorded for a bit, go to the right panel and click Stop Recording. Now it's important to watch the recorded video afterward to check for any visual issues. In the upper left corner, click File, then select Show Recordings. This will open the folder where OBS saves your recordings. From there, play the recorded video and watch it carefully to ensure the quality meets your standards and there are no stuttering or audio sync issues. And that's it! You've successfully tested OBS without going live, ensuring your stream and recordings will run smoothly. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.